Simple chords are quite beautiful on this guitar, actually. It's easy to play. A C chord. C major 7 chord. This kind of C major 7 chord with a bend on top. This kind of C major 7 chord. You can play anything you want, really. It's not difficult. It's just a matter of having good hand positioning, really. You can do it. You can totally get away with doing it. It's not hard. Octaves with a bend on top. This is a nice chord. It's basically an A minor 9 chord, I suppose, with a bend on top. Well, this is it. So the whole point is that you can do this. You can bend. So if you're a tapper, you could tap the crap out of this thing. I'm not a tapper, but other guys are tappers, and they would know exactly what to do with this guitar. Well, my ultimate hope is that everybody takes to this guitar very quickly. This is the first one that I made. Well, the first one that I made that's really for me. There are others. Check the website out. Anyways, I hope everybody has a good day and learns to slowly but surely, or quickly, I don't really mind, appreciate this beautiful guitar. All right, rock it on. That's it for you.